This tutorial is all about how to work with a mockup file in Photoshop. When you open up this file, you want to make sure you've got two windows open. From the window, you need to open up Layers, and you want to open up Properties. Now, when you look at this Layers window, you're going to see two layers indicated with red, which are the layers you're going to work with. Let's click on this layer. It's darker gray, so we know it's active. And then from the properties, this is an easy direction to go. And I just want to make sure that you understand the way Photoshop has set this up to make it sort of bulletproof. Click on Edit Contents. And now this wakes up a PSB file, which is a linked file to this mockup. So now you can see it's got several layers. So let's explore what happens if I turn the background layer off and I save my changes and close that file. What's happened is it's removed that texture of that box. So now let's go back there and edit contents, and let's wake up that layer. So the way you're going to work with this is, let's say you want to add your artwork. You would turn this text layer off and go to this layer. You could Command A, delete the B, and then place your artwork on here. Let's say you have an Illustrator file. You could open up that Illustrator file. You could Command A, get all the pixels, Command C, copy them, and then go back to Photoshop and Command V, Command V, and you want to paste it as pixels. And now that it's dropped it in, you can enlarge it, and that has a white background, so I'll set that layer to multiply, so it's going to interact with the paper. And save, so that Photoshop knows there's been a change to this attached file, and there you go. Same thing on this side. Select that layer, go to Edit Contents. And let's say if you wanted to create a type layer, you can alter this, you could certainly change the typeface over here. Save your changes, close the file, and there you go. So my advice is play around with this file, activate that layer, go to Edit Contents. The best way to learn how this works is to work with a file and play around. Make mistakes, because that's how we all learn.